Today I'm going to show you how to get a fully working Domino's promo code. So as you can see, guys, it says coupon applied, you save 17 bucks. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. It's super insane. So let's get into the video. So what you want to do is go on this website. So it's called zoomods.com. So anyways, guys, once you're on this site, just go to the search bar and type in Domino's. I believe it's on this site. It's like a mod, but like I could be wrong. So let's see. So it is on here. It's called Domino's Pizza Mods. Just press on this and wait for it to download. And what it will do is it will basically give you the promo code at the end. The promo code is going to be different for everyone, but I'm not going to show you that in this video. But be sure to go and try it out. I gave you the guide. I gave you the sauce. That's up to you to get that information. So be sure to go and try it out for yourself, guys. I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super insane, bro. And it's like actually updated and everything like that. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later. But as you can see, stuff is quite expensive, $6.99. Like, bro, this is way too much. I'm not trying to pay for this stuff. I mean, I understand that some people want to, but I just would rather have a promo code. So as you can see, guys, like, this is super expensive, bro. Like, how much is this one? Probably $100, bro. Let's see. So yeah, let's see. How much is it? It don't even want to show me the price. Oh my gosh, it's asking for my address, bro. What the heck? I just wanted the payment. Alright, I guess it won't let me, but I know Domino's ain't affordable because I've ordered from them before. But now I still order from them, but I use the promo. So be sure to go and try us out. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, because it's a super insane, fully working method. Super cool, guys. If this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys. Get the word out. Super cool. Fully updated method, guys, and peace out.